Hello guys, in this one we're talking about how to connect Supabase with HTML. So guys, building a clean, lightweight web page with raw HTML. So open your index.html file on your code editor, navigate to the bottom of your file, and inject the official Supabase JavaScript CDN script tag right before the closing /body tag. Then next guys, you just open up your local app.js file, and also inline script block directly underneath that CDN layer. And to initialize the connection, declare a global variable by calling supabase.createClient. I'm showing you the little script right here on the screen. You can copy both of these credentials instantly from your Supabase dashboard under Settings and API. Paste them in as strings, and your static HTML page is officially authenticated to talk to your backend. And in order to pull real data and render it dynamically onto your web page without any framework dependencies, you need to create a container inside your HTML body, like the div, with an ID of data pool. In your JavaScript file, build a asynchronous function, call it fetch products, for example. Use the native client syntax, await supabase.from, specifying your target table name, followed by a .select modifier to pull your rows. Once the data resolves, map through the JSON array, wrap your values inside clean HTML template with literals, and point them straight to your container. So that's how you build the CDN script injection easily and hyperfast. That's it guys, enjoy and like and subscribe.